Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn something very quick and simple, but very important. Okay, now that's how to write texts on a path. That's how to write texts on the path. So I'm just going to shift these guys here. Now come here to your pen tool, click on pen tool, and instead of shape, this time choose path. So just come here and then try to create something that looks like this. It mustn't be looking exactly like mine. This will just do. And one funny thing with paths is they have a funny way of behaving. Now you see I've gone back to my move tool. Now if this was a shape, after I select my move tool and click on my background, we'll see that it gets deselected. But paths do not behave like that. Paths keep getting selected. And one thing is, paths do not show up under layers. So they do not show up under layers. So they are not layers. They don't have a layer of their own. So we can move them and manipulate them with our path selection tool. You see, with this one, you can move your path. And with this other one, you can of course select the anchor points and work on the anchor points. In order to access our paths, in order to see where they are, you have to go to your paths panel. The paths panel is just after your channels panel. So this is layers, this is channels, and now we have the path panel. Now we can see that a new path has been created here. Now this is our path, and this is just how the path panel is, looking very simple, very basic. So that's because paths are basic, you get. So one thing we can do with paths is write along a path. So all you need to do is select your pen tool, rather your type tool, and it's very simple, guys, very simple. All you need to do is to come to the point on your path where you want your text to start, and then just click. So if I want it to start here, I'm going to click here. You see that we now have our text on our path. And if I want to edit the size, I'll just increase the size. I can basically change every other option here. If you want your text to start from here, like I said, you click here. But if not, let's just undo this and see. So if not, let's cancel this. So if not, let's say I want it to start from here. All I need to do is to click here. So I just need to click from the point where I want my text to start. So I'll just click here so that my text starts here, and then I can type, oh, hello designers. Then select my text, make this 48, make this 0. 0 is too small, make this 25. Let's see, 100. Perfect. So this is basically how to write on paths. Now if you are okay with it, you can continue the work. So let's try creating another path. This time I wanted to create a love, or rather a heart shape. Very simple heart shape, very basic. So just this. And just make this part more curved. Okay. Perfect. So let's say we want to write on our path. All we then need to do is to select our pen tool, or rather our type tool. I keep changing this. I keep confusing this for the pen tool, type tool or text tool. So select our type tool and click here. Now we have our text along our path. So that's how to create your text on a path. And with this, we've come to the end of our video. See you in the next video. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.